Here's how to make chocolate mini rolls with Odlums. So we're going to start firstly with this recipe and we're going to get into the mixer with our caster sugar and our egg. Firstly, we're going to go with 100 grams of caster sugar in, and to that we're going to add 3 eggs. Whisk until this turns pale and fluffy. 80 grams of the new Odlums cream plain super flour. We have 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and half a teaspoon of the Odlums baking powder. So we're just going to place all this through a sieve, just to remove any lumps. So we just fold really gently then with a spatula. Lay on that mixture, spread it out as evenly as you can. Bake this for 15 minutes at 180 degrees. So while that's baking, we can be making the filling in the mixer. So we're just gonna go in with 150 grams of softened butter, so 150 grams of ice and sugar in on top of that. And we're just going to beat this until it becomes nice and pale. Take it out to let that cool for a minute. And with a rolling pin, just flatten it slightly. It's gonna roll to the center with this end. And use the parchment paper to help you. So we're just rolling both ends into the center to meet each other. So once it's cooled, we just slice straight down the middle. And we're just gonna roll them back out gently. Spread out then the filling. So we're just going to roll them then back up. Don't worry if they crack slightly. We're just going to slice them into 3. So all we got to do now is cover them in melted chocolate. Next is the white chocolate. So just drizzle from a height to finish. And there you have it, delicious chocolate mini rolls with Odlums.